Okay, so this is Chemical Guys leather cleaner and leather conditioner. It came as a set. I got it on Prime Day. This stuff, you guys, is amazing. So they're out of Los Angeles. The cleaner is a spray. So you just need these two products, and you need two like microfiber rags. Colorless, odorless leather cleaner, pH balance. This stuff is amazing. Love this. Definitely when you're cleaning, spray this onto your rag. Don't spray this onto the leather, because it'll get, it'll look like a splatter. It'll go away eventually, but the first time I did it, it scared me. So we have a big leather sectional. I just cleaned this bad boy. We have 2 kids and we have a dog that we allow on it, and you can see the sheen from the conditioner that I put on, but it's not greasy, like, at all. Not sticky, you know, I'm not wiping any residue off. It doesn't feel oily, but it looks hydrated. I mean, this thing was dirty before I cleaned it. I love this stuff. So the leather cleaner I use more frequently than the leather conditioner. I don't know. I could probably use it every time. I just choose not to. So dry to the touch, natural leather scent. It doesn't smell strong at all. Like, I can barely smell it once it's sat on there for a few minutes. Restores soft and supple feel, helps prevents cracking and fading, deep moisturizing formula. This set is amazing. I would 10 out of 10 recommend if you have any leather furniture or anything else. Beautiful. I mean, there were all kinds of dirt stains on it from the dogs and food stains from the kids that wiped right out. See, this is a scratch. This isn't a stain. Love this stuff. 10 out of 10. Recommend. Read the instructions, follow the instructions, and I'm 100% sure that you'll be happy with it. So, again, Chemical Guys leather cleaner and leather conditioner. It's a set.